So earlier today, when I was sitting my open house here and realizing that I had gone like super fast and then like 90 minutes with no one here, I put together a video. We called it, I think it was something like the Sunday Open House Blues or something like that. And I was like, all right, well, at least I got something done while I was here. Another half hour goes by, no one. Another half hour goes by, no one. So I'm like, all right, you know what? I got to do something. Got to keep myself busy. There's only so much water and so much reading I can do, right? So I put together another video. Super cute video. I didn't post it because as I was editing it and getting ready to post it, people showed up. All right, cool. So that took me through to like 5 minutes to 3 o'clock, which is when I said I was going to hold the house open until. And I'm like, okay, that's it. We had people come through the open house. It was a good open house. It's a great day. I can go home and I can relax the rest of my day, right? So I go out and I start taking down my open house signs. Now, real estate agents, you know where this story is going, right? But I'm going to tell it to you anyway. So I go ahead and I start taking down my real estate signs. I've taken down like 5 signs and I'm back to the front of the house and I'm taking down the very last sign. Yep. Car drives up. Oh, we ran into traffic. We've come all the way from Los Angeles. Is it okay? Can we see the house? I'm like, of course I'm going to show you the house. That's why I'm here, right? Go through the house. They love it. That's going to be a completely different story. Because wait, there's more. Okay, so the people that came as I was taking down the very last sign, super nice people. I think they're going to buy this house. They leave. I have closed the trunk of my car. I have locked the front door of the house. Another car drives up. And I'm like thinking to myself, where were all you people during the actual open house time? It's 3:30 going on 3:40. Well, here we are, 4 o'clock. They just left. I'm filming this video and all I can think of is, you really never know until you get through the day how your open house is going to go. You can make all the plans for it. You can have all the hopes. Sometimes you've got a ton of people going through and sometimes you're like, wah, wah. Today was kind of a mixture, but I'm really glad, super glad that I took the time the day after the 4th of July to hold this open house. If you stuck out this long and you're a real estate agent, I would love to know, what are your superstitious tricks about what it takes to get people to come to your open house? I'm not talking like the planning things of, oh, I did all these things and it was a great open house. No, like, what do you do? What are the tricks in your head that you're like, okay, well, if I tell the universe I'm going to close up early, people will show up? Because I'm pretty sure that that's my favorite because that's the one that works. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day. I'm out.